Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Car Info Hub. Today, we're setting our sights on a true marvel of Italian engineering, the Ferrari 812 Competizione. This isn't your average prancing horse, it's a fire-breathing beast designed for pure driving exhilaration. So, buckle up as we dive deep into everything the 812 Competizione has to offer, from its stunning design to its earth-shattering performance. Let's kick things off with that head-turning exterior. The 812 Competizione takes the already gorgeous 812 Superfast and injects it with an extra dose of aggression. The front fascia features a sharper design with a prominent splitter that screams aerodynamic efficiency. New, muscular air vents on the hood hint at the monstrous power lurking beneath. The iconic Ferrari silhouette is further accentuated by the sloping roofline and those signature quad taillights. But the real showstopper is the Competizione's by A-Assist R8 copyright assistance, the available Frano package. This track-focused option adds a whole new level of aerodynamic wizardry, including a prominent rear wing for downforce and a more aggressive diffuser. It's a sight to behold and a clear message to anyone following you. This Ferrari means business. Interior. Now, let's slip inside the cockpit. The 812 Competizione's interior is a luxurious haven crafted from the finest materials. Premium leather swathes the seats and dashboard, offering a feeling of opulence and comfort. The driver-centric layout places all the important controls within easy reach, keeping your focus on the road ahead. Ferrari has incorporated some modern tech touches as well. A fully digital instrument cluster displays all the vital information you need in a clear and concise manner. The central infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen for controlling audio, navigation, and climate settings. But despite the tech, the 812 Competizione's interior prioritizes the driving experience. The steering wheel feels fantastic in your hands, and the sculpted seats provide excellent support during spirited driving. Alright, enough about how it looks. Let's talk about how it goes. Buckle up, because the 812 Competizione is an absolute monster on the road. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5 liters V12 engine, a symphony of Italian engineering churning out a mind-blowing 830 horsepower. That translates to a staggering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds. Pinning you back in your seat with ferocious acceleration. The 812 Competizione isn't just about brute force, though. Ferrari's engineers have meticulously crafted this car to handle like a dream. The advanced suspension system provides exceptional feedback and keeps the car planted firmly on the road during high-speed cornering. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission snaps through gears with lightning-fast precision, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're carving up your favorite canyon road or laying down blistering lap times on the track, the 812 Competizione is a true driver's machine. It's a car that rewards skill and pushes the boundaries of automotive performance. Now, let's talk about the price tag. Owning a piece of Ferrari's legacy doesn't come cheap. The 812 Competizione starts at a cool $431,000. The Frano package adds another $30,000 to that price tag. But hey, if you have the means and the desire for an unparalleled driving experience, the 812 Competizione is worth every penny. So, there you have it folks, a comprehensive look at the Ferrari 812 Competizione. It's a car that embodies the very essence of the Ferrari brand: stunning design, heart-stopping performance, and an unmatched driving experience. If you're looking for the ultimate expression of automotive passion, the 812 Competizione is a dream waiting to be driven. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of the Ferrari 812 Competizione. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting car content. Let us know what you think of the 812 Competizione in the comments below. And if you